Wix Geo AIO Report Walkthrough. All right, let's walk through exactly how to access your Geo AIO reports inside Wix and see how your brand is showing up across AI platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Step 1. Log into Wix. First, log into your Wix account and land on your main dashboard. Once you're here, make sure you're inside the correct site if you manage more than one. Step 2. Open SEO Tools. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Marketing and SEO. Now select SEO Tools. This is where Wix centralizes all search and visibility reporting. Step 3. Navigate to Geo AIO. Inside the SEO dashboard, look for the section labeled Geo AIO, also known as Generative Engine Optimization. Click into that section to open your AI visibility reports. Step 4. Overview Dashboard. Here you'll see your high-level Geo performance. This shows how often your brand is being referenced by AI platforms, which engines are mentioning you, and how your visibility is trending over time. Step 5. Run or refresh a report. To run a new report, click Run Report or Refresh Report, depending on what's available in your dashboard. Wix will now analyze how AI platforms respond to real user questions related to your industry, services, and keywords. Step 6. Questions you're mentioned in. Scroll down to view the section showing questions where your brand is being mentioned. These are AI-generated responses where your company is already appearing as a recommended or referenced solution. This is your current AI footprint. Step 7. Questions you're not mentioned in. Next, review the section labeled Questions You're Not Mentioned In. This is one of the most valuable parts of the report. These questions represent real AI prompts where competitors are being referenced, but your brand is missing. This is where Geo and AIO optimization creates opportunity. Step 8. Platform Breakdown. As you scroll, you'll also see which platforms are generating each response. This includes visibility across ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. You can see exactly where your brand is winning and where it needs reinforcement. Step 9. Export the report. When you're ready to share or save your data, click Export Report. You can download this as a PDF or CSV, making it easy to review internally or share with your team. Step 10. What to do next. These insights directly inform your AIO strategy, from content updates to structured answers, authority signals, and geo optimization. This is how brands move from being invisible in AI to being recommended. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your Geo AIO reports inside Wix, how to read them, and how to export them. This is the future of search, and you're already in it.